I'd just like to say that every single one of you is beautiful and very visible, man. Very visible, unlike the WTO, who is very invisible. So now what we're going to do is we're inviting you guys to come march to the Gap. We're going to take a right on Pine Street because the Gap is very, very visible in Omaha, Nebraska, all over the world. People who don't understand the invisibility of the WTO can look at the Gap and understand. So we need you guys to leave the props here so that these folks can transport them, and then those of us here can march to the Gap. All right? You're beautiful.
Thanks for coming up.
They've taken our nature, they've taken our land, now they're taking human rights, they're destroying indigenous communities, they're destroying the life within the USA, they destroy everything. Help us to shut down, come reclaim the street with us. 30, this Tuesday, come with us to shut down the WTO, they take all your rights.